Welcome to this gentle and effective strength flow for women over 40 plus who want to feel stronger without pushing or rushing. All you need is a folded blanket, a couple of yoga blocks, or a pair of study books to feel comfortable and stable throughout the practice. Well, let's get started in a seated bounded angle pose. Option to sit upon a folded blanket or props. Get the soles of your feet together. Make a diamond shape using your legs. Take a breath in. Lift your chest nice and tall. Start fluttering your knees up and down at your own pace. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, hold the ankles or clasp your hands around your toes. Take a breath in. Lift your chest, exhale, fold at your own degree until you feel enough stretch in your outer glutes. One breath here. Lift up as you inhale. Now extend the left leg to the side. Guide your right foot at your left inner thigh. Curl the toes towards you. Keep a nice micro bend in your left knee. Right arm reaches up. Take a breath in. Exhale, bend to the left. Breathing into the right line of your body. Inhale back up. Exhale, bend to the left as you reach your left arm up and over. Back to the center as you inhale. Now twist to the right. With every inhale, keep your spine nice and tall. Maybe gaze over your right shoulder and then release. Right hand goes behind you. Pick up your hips. Left arm reaches up and over. Take a breath in. Exhale, release your hips with control towards the mat. Now, turn your upper body towards extended leg. Take a breath in. Exhale, fold it your own amount, either high or low. Relax your head. Back to the center, lift up. Now switch the sides. Extend the right, bend the left leg, left foot to your right inner thigh. Left arm reaches up, inhale, exhale, bend to the right. Keep pressing the left shin bone down. Inhale up, right arm reaches up, take a breath in, exhale, bend to the left. Inhale back to the center, twist to the left. Keep your head over your hips. Relax your left shoulder. Look in any direction. Stay here for one breath. Release your left hand just behind you. As you come out of the twist, pick up your hips. Right arm reaches up and over. Exhale, release your hips all the way down towards the mat. Find your way into your tabletop position. Hands on the shoulders, knees on the hips. For a few rounds of cat and cow, arch your spine. Inhale, cow. Exhale, round your spine, cat. 2 more times at your own pace. Maybe moving back as you inhale. Rounding your spine, moving forward. One more time. Back to the neutral position now. Turn your hands, fingers facing the edges of the mat. Gently sway side to side. Now, back to the neutral. Turn your hands to the neutral position. Extend your left leg back. Roll over your ankle. Reverse the motion. Reach your right arm forward. Option 2, place a folded blanket under your knees if you're sensitive. Tuck your back toes. Stay for one breath. Keep pressing the mat away from you. As you exhale, elbow to knee crunch. One last time, reach, inhale. Exhale to crunch. Keep pressing the mat away from you. Inhale, reach forward and release your right hand to the mat. Step your left foot to the top of the mat. Anjaneyasana on the left. So your hands can come to the props or to the mat. Gently send your hips forward and down. Lift your chest up. Take a breath in. Exhale, start pulsing for 4. Now pick up the back knee off the mat. As you inhale, drop the back knee down. Gentle touch to the mat. One more time, pick up and hold and breathe. Now drop the back knee down. Extend the front leg, half splits. Curl the front toes towards you. Keep a generous bend in your knee. Right hand comes under shoulder. Left arm reaches up. Twist open to the left. And bend the top arm. Left elbow towards the mat as you exhale. One more time, open. Inhale. Exhale to close. One more time, open. Left arm extends. One breath here. Keep pulling the left hip back. On your breath out, left hand to the mat. Stay lifted as you inhale, half splits here, or you can pull your hands forward, relax your head as you exhale. One more breath. Bend the front leg with your next breath in. Step your left foot back. Meet me in tabletop once again. Extend the right leg back, few ankle rolls in both directions. Feel all the pops and crackles here. And now left arm reaches forward. Option to tuck the back toe. Stay here for one breath. Keep tucking the tailbone in. Elbow to knee as you exhale. Reach as you inhale. One more time. Get the elbow and knee as closer as you can. And then reach. Now step your right foot all the way to the top of the mat. Anjaneyasana. Your right knee over right ankle. Gently press your hips forward and down. Lift your chest up. Inhale. Exhale. Start pulsing for 4. 1. Now pick up the back knee off the mat. Inhale. Exhale. Drop it down. One more time. Pick up. Hold and breathe. Feel the stretch in the front left side of your hip. Now drop the back knee down. Shuffle your front foot. If your legs are long, extend the front leg. Half splits. Stay lifted and left hand comes under left shoulder. Right arm reaches up. In your fist, you just open to the right. Now bend the right arm, elbow to mat. Exhale. One more time. Open. Close. One last time. Open. Extend the right arm. Stay here for one breath. Look in any direction. Release your right hand to the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold over. Latch your head. Now lift up. Step your left foot to the top of the mat. Take as many steps as you need. Inhale, half lift, soften your knees. Exhale, fold over. Grab the opposite elbows, maybe swing gently side to side. Your upper body, head are relaxed. One more time. Now release your hands. Now step your feet back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Spread your fingers nice and wide. Press them out every few minutes. Send your hips to the ceiling. Start pedal up your feet. 3 breaths here. Find the length in your arms and spine. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs. Now lift your left leg up. Inhale. Exhale. Draw your right knee to your chest. Step your left foot to the top of the mat. Spin onto your back with warrior 2. Press into your both feet. Lift up. Your arms parallel to the ground. Stay here for 2 breaths. Keep pressing the knee behind you. Relax your shoulders. Now reverse the warrior as you reach your left arm forward. Flip the palm. Inhale. Reverse it. Relax your head or maybe gaze under your left arm. One more breath. Back to the center. Extend the left. Turn your left toes in. Right toes out. Warrior 2 on the right. Look over your right fingertips. Focus on one point. Keep your head over your hips. 2 breaths here. As you reach your right hand forward, flip your right palm. Reverse the warrior. Inhale here. Reaching to your right fingertips. Look in any direction. Breathe in and out your nose. Back to the center. Extend the front leg. Turn the right toes in. Both feet are parallel together. You can adjust the distance between your feet, maybe shorten the distance. Hands at your waist. Take a breath in. Bend at your waist. Soften your knees. Hands can come to your legs or to the ground. Relax your head. Option 2, stay still here or grab the opposite elbows. Maybe gentle sway side to side. 2 breaths here. Keep shifting your weight towards your toes. Release your hands to the mat, half lift. Now heel toe together. Find your way to the center of the mat. Swing your legs to one side. Extend your legs to the front. Paschimottanasana. You're welcome to place anything under your hips to get some height in your spine. Reach your both arms up. Inhale, exhale, fold over. You're always welcome to bend your knees, curl the toes towards you if you're tight in the back of your legs. Relax your head. 2 more breaths here. Inhale, crawl your hands back, lift up. Find a comfortable seated position. Hands come to your thighs, relax your shoulders, close your eyes, take a deep breath into your belly. Open your mouth, a big sigh out. Guide your hands at your heart. Bowing forward, thank yourself for showing up today exactly as you are. That was today's practice. I hope it helped you. If give it a thumbs up. Also, comment below how it felt for you. Take care. See you in the next practice.